What's up, YouTube? It's Aaron again, telling you how to change your engine air filter on a 2016 through 2021 Honda Civic. Super easy. Right here is your air box. That filter is right here. It filters the air that goes through your throttle body into your engine right here. You'll just unclick right here, unclick over here. This pops up very easily right here. Once that is up, you'll grab this old filter, pull it out. See how dirty that is right there? You don't want that. Grab your new filter right here. Okay, make sure it's the same side up. Right here, the rubber gasket is on the facing up. You'll open this again, put this right back where it was. Make sure it's a snug fit still, and then make sure this fits back in exactly how it was. Latch it back in, and boom, you're done. You've replaced your engine air filter on your 2016 through 2021 Honda Civic.